Hello guys, welcome to our third lesson, Use of Pronouns with Nouns, Part 2. In our previous lesson, we used teacher as a noun and used in different simple sentences, and today we will try to make sentences using noun as a student. Let's start. Wash situation. Wash situation. I am a student. Niche situation. You are a student. Niche situation. You are a student. Tha situation. Tha situation. He is a student. Tha situation. Tha situation. She is a student. Guys, please note here Chinese Hans Tha is pronounced as Tha for male and Tha for female, but Chinese Hans here Tha is used for males, and this Chinese Hans Tha used for female. Both Thas are pronounced Tha, but their meanings are different for male and female. Tha situation, she is a student. Thaman situation, they are students. 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 Woman situation, woman situation, we are students. Niman situation, Niman situation, you are students. Guys, please note she is a to be verb in Chinese, which means izmar, and she is used for singular and plural. If we use wa, she, it means I am. Tha she, it means he or she is. And thaman she, it means they are. It means she is used for plural as well as singular. Thanks for watching. See you in next lesson.